Have you ever wondered how to create your own miniature tree garden? Welcome to the fascinating world of bonsai. Originally from Japan, bonsai gardening is not just an art, but a wonderful stress reliever. In just a few simple steps, you too can start your journey in bonsai gardening. Creating a bonsai tree isn't as complicated as it seems. It's all about the right technique and patience. A journey into the world of bonsai begins with choosing the right tree or shrub. It could be a maple, juniper, or pine. Each species has its unique charm and requirements. Next comes the selection of a pot. The pot size and style should complement the tree, creating a harmonious balance. It's not just about aesthetics, but also about ensuring the roots have adequate space to grow and breathe. Pruning is the next crucial step. It's an art form within the art of bonsai, where you sculpt the tree to your vision. Pruning isn't just about shaping, it's also about controlling the growth of the tree, making sure it stays miniature. Wiring is another technique used to shape the tree. By wrapping wire around the branches, you can guide them to grow in specific directions, creating the desired form over time. But remember, these wires need to be checked regularly to prevent them from digging into the growing bark. Repotting is essential for the tree's health. As the tree grows, it may outgrow its pot. Regular repotting ensures the roots have space to grow and access fresh soil nutrients. And finally, the art of bonsai is about care and patience. Regular watering, feeding, and protection from extreme weather are key to keeping your bonsai healthy and thriving. Remember, the art of bonsai is a journey, not a destination. Each tree is a living masterpiece that evolves with time. So that's the art of bonsai in a nutshell. Remember, it's all about patience, diligence, and nurturing. Each tiny leaf and branch is a testament to your care. If you liked this video and want to learn more about gardening and other fun topics, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.